we just got in something new, and then I got a few others that I want to show you guys. So let me pull these out. Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Earl the Pro. We're at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods. Check us out on all social. Also come in store, take us up. Today we have something very anticipated for you. It's been anticipated for a while. So retro Jordan 3 black cement. As you can see, the box here comes in that old school 88 style box. I'm just gonna get right into it. So here you have the shoe, black cement, full grain leather upper, as you can see, elephant print on the mud guards, white midsole with the black hint, air bubble of course, and what everyone's been waiting for, the Nike Air on the back. This has been highly anticipated for years now. Last time we seen this on a black cement was 2001, so we've been waiting. Nike gave us what we wanted. As you can see, keeps the old school shape. Great shoe, red Jumpman on the tongue, of course, traditional gray tongue, red eyelets, just a great overall constructed shoe. I'm gonna pull out both pairs just so you can get a better look at it. Look at the Nike Air on the back. It's what we all been waiting for. So now, I'm gonna just show you different threes throughout the years. We've been anticipating this one, and here we have the first Nike Retro 2001 3 with the Nike Air on the back. This was the second retro of this shoe. This is the last one we had. Haven't seen this one. You see a little bit of yellow one on here due to age. This shoe is about 16 years old. So of course, a little oxidation on the air bubble. Nike Air on the insole. It comes on both pairs also. On the 2018 pair has that also. Then I'm gonna give you one more anticipated three that we had, which would be the white cement. So as you guys know, this shoe also highly anticipated. I would say the black cement's been the biggest shoe with Nike Air on the back since this shoe. We got this a few years ago, clean Nike Air on the back. It's what everyone wanted. Great quality, full grain leather upper, of course, white tongue, red Jumpman, overall clean shoe, and of course, the elephant print that everyone's loved. And one more that I have for you would be the last three that we had. My favorite, the True Blue with the Nike Air on the back. Comes just like the original with the red tongue and the blue insert. Of course, Nike Air with the red on the insole. Great shoe overall. Full grain leather upper, mudguard, elephant print. Doesn't get any better than this. All right guys, so here we have the black cement Jordan 3 2018 version, have the black cement Nike Air 2001 version, white cement Nike Air 2013 version, and true blue Nike Air 2016 version. All available here at Stadium Goods and stadiumgoods.com.